Welcome, guys. So today we are going to prove this theorem. So this is called the Pascal rules. So let nk be a binomial coefficient, and we want to prove that if nk plus nk minus one will be n plus one k. So this is k, this is k minus one, then it become k, but this will add one. Okay. So the proof is the direct proof is very easy because so nk just n factorial k factorial times n minus k factorial. So the first term this term and n k minus one factorial become this term. Okay, and you both multiply the numerator and the denominator by this n minus k minus one factor. So the first term become this, and the second term become this. A second term we just times k. Okay. So notice that this n minus k minus one divided by So this n minus k minus one times this, right, will become n minus k plus one factorial. Okay. So we leave the numerator as before, but change the denominator. Combine these two factor. Also, this one we fix the numerator and change the denominator by this k, so it becomes k factorial. And so we see that there's a n factorial k factorial here, so we can change it, and all the numerator all the denominator are the same. Okay, so we can just add it up. And then we can pull out this n factorial, so it becomes n minus k plus 1 plus k. So k cancel, it becomes n plus 1, n factorial n plus 1. So it becomes n plus 1 factorial divided by k factorial n plus 1 minus k factorial. So by definition, this is just n plus 1 choose k. N plus 1 choose k. Okay, so let's prove. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in other videos. Thanks.